Wally the water drop. Wally is in the sea. He has many friends. The sun shines. It is hot. Wally is happy. And then Wally is flying. Help! Many of Wally's friends are flying too. Wally and his friends come together. They make a cloud. The wind blows. The cloud moves, and then Wally is falling. Help! Many of Wally's friends are falling too. Ouch! Wally falls on a mountain. Wally goes down the mountain. His friends go down the mountain too. Wally is in a river. The river goes to the sea. I'm home. Wally is happy. And then Help! Wally is flying.